Hello, hey there, my friend. How are you today? I am Amner Hunter from amnerhunter.com. I'm happy to share another video with you today. I want to test and share with you guys this awesome new free AmSim suite by 2Notes Audio Engineering. It's the GENOME Intro Plus that it's available here at Plugin Boutique, right? It is very simple to get it. Just enter in your account here at Plugin Boutique. Click here where it says go to library, and you're gonna have here the license, right? You can click here show license to get it. You go to download, and it's going to take you to the instructions here at 2Notes Audio Engineering's website to redeem this license that you have, right? Here are the steps to get it. It's pretty simple to download this plugin for Windows and Mac, and it's gonna be ready to use it. And in this video, I want to check out all its features and controls, and of course some sounds possible in this new guitar and bass AmSim plugin. Before we begin with the content, let me invite you quickly to my website amnerhunter.com, where you can get some additional free stuff such as some free PDF guides and ebooks, some extra free tools such as collections of guitar impulses and drum sample packs, and don't forget to check out the channel or my blog, which I'm updating almost on a daily basis with tons of content like this. Let me know if you are here in the live stream. I am always happy and interested to know your opinions about these tools. I love to engage in conversations with you guys. Alright, so without further ado, let me take you here to my DAW session. Let's check out this plugin first in a full mix, a lead guitar tone. Alright, and now let's check out a rhythm guitar sound. Alright, so there you have it, my friends. Let's check out the features and controls of this plugin. In a moment, we're gonna still continue to explore some sounds in this plugin, right? So let's begin with some of the general features. We have an input gate here, right? We can turn it off and turn it on here. We have a transpose functionality that works great. We can activate it here and decrease notes, octaves, or increase an octave. I believe after two octaves are possible to increase or decrease. In this, we have cents, we have hertz as well, right? We can turn it off right here. We have also the part of the presets here, right? We select GENOME Intro, and we have access to all of the presets included in the free version. We have this tool to sort the tones out in different categories such as clean, crunch, high gain for bass as well, right? And all of them, right? And also, we have a tool here for mixing the tones, for like enhancing them. We have this mix fit, right? That has some parameters and controls to further shape the sound. We have low cut, high cut, character. We have subs, depth, focus, edge, sparkle, and air to add to the guitar tones, right? We have some presets for this right here, right? And we have access to the signal chain in these square rectangles that we see here, right? We just simply go and select an amplifier, cabinet, delays, effects, overdrives, dynamics, compressors, EQ, enhancer, filter, modulation, pitch, reverb, stereo width, and torpedo wall of sound post effects, right? And we can build our signal chain here. It is worth mentioning that this plugin works in stereo. We can set the stereo function down here, right? So we can have one instance of the plugin feeding 2 guitar takes. We have it in mono, we have it mono from left, mono from right, or the stereo that it's very useful to have, right? We can set the stereo here on the amp sim, or we can set it here also in the input or in the output as well, right? And here we sort of build the signal chains with amplifiers, cabinets, and stuff like that, right? Let's see what we have in this free version, right? We have access to these amplifiers. We have the codecs, which I'm gonna talk in a moment. Let's check out the bass, for instance. We have this Ampeg, right? Ampeg for bass. For cleans, we have this sort of Fender emulation. Let's see. For cleans, we have also the Foxy 30, a Vox AC30, right? Also, we have the Gemini 64, which is a Fender, of course, right? Let's continue with the Driven. We have the Plexi from Marshall, right? Emulation. Let's continue with the Tanger Rock, which is an orange, of course, right? And let's move on to high gain. And here we have Eldorado, which is, of course, this well-known amp sim brand, right? And let's continue with Flatback Dual, a dual rectifier by Mesa Boogie. We have, what else we have here? Another, the MK5 could be, yeah, an MK5 by Mesa Boogie as well. The Mark 5 could be. Then what else we have? JPTR FX. Yeah, I don't really know what this one could be, but here it is, JPTR Titan. And let's continue with, we have also the, of course, 5150. And we have, yeah, that's the, and we have some legacy amps as well, right? Albion and other amps here in the legacy section, right? These, and let's check out also effects, right? We have the DynIR, which are dynamic input responses. Pretty cool. We can blend different input responses here. We have some presets as well here in the DynIR cab. Also, we can use an input response loader, and we can load our own input responses, right? We have delays. We have this one. We have a ping pong delay and this studio delay, right? They are pretty cool, sound great. We have overdrives, we have boosts, we have distortion, fuzz, overdrives, right? And preamps. Also, we have dynamics, compressors, right? Like this one, 1176 type compressor. And we have EQs, bass EQ, guitar EQ, studio EQ, right? A parametric equalizer. We have enhancers, a couple of them here. We have filters. We have a wah as well, right? Seems that it's a crybaby. We have modulation. All of these modulation, phasers, chorus, flangers, tremolo, vibrato, chorus, right? We have pitch mix. We have reverbs as well. Different types of reverb, stereo width, studio twin tracker, right? So that's what's included in the free version. those amps, cabinets, and all of those effects. All right, very, very cool. And we need to talk about specifically of the Codex amp sim that it's available here in GENOME plus Intro. This is an AI tool, right, that uses Nam and other AI profiles and captures, right? If we click here, we can see the Nam logo here, right? These are Nam captures. We can open the folder here and load other neural amp modeler captures here. We have also the AIDA-X. It's available here, but it's pretty cool that neural amp modeler technology can be used within this plugin, right? It's pretty cool. And yeah, here we have tons of presets and possible sounds. But if we want to use the emulations, we can of course build our own signal chains, right? Like I'm gonna test different sounds here. Let me build a signal chain here. For instance, I'm gonna use a let's use Eldorado, let's use a cabinet here, and let's check out some sounds. Right? The change amplifier. We have the different presets for each one of the amps. We can add this to enhance the sounds. Right? Let me start to add some effects here. Awesome ping pong delay. You can add the chorus here. Reverb. Awesome. Let me check out some other categories here of amplifiers. This Plexi. Nice. Let's check out, for instance, another category here. And add a boost here. Awesome tones, right? From clean, overdriven, breakup to high gain. Let's test some different presets here that are included in the free version. Let's go here. We simply double click on it. Let's see. Rhythm scoop. Okay. Lead, juicy lead. GenOME 64. Awesome. Fuzz. Oh, this one is for bass. And let's check out some Codex presets. So there you have it, my friends. Finally, let's check out its CPU performance, right? It's pretty important also to know this information about these plugins. I am using it here on the second track. Right now it's 7.0%, right? Let's change presets, for instance, here to an AmpSim. Let's find the 5150, for instance. 8.2, 9.1%, 9.0%. Okay. It goes up to 10%, right? So it's not super lightweight, but it's pretty stable there. 11. Depending on the preset, depending on what you build here in this signal chain, it could go up and down, but that's more or less the CPU power that it uses. Let me know what you think, my friends, of this new AmpSim suite by 2 Notes Audio Engineering. I am always happy and interested to know your opinions about these tools. DJ Victor Nova is here. Hello, DJ Victor Nova. Check out the DynIR Bass 3500 amplifier, great plugin for rock bass. Thanks a lot, Victor. We'll check that out. New plugin that sounds fantastic. This plugin you are reviewing looks great, says Victor. Adam, it's super limited for being free. It's not that limited, Adam. It has all of the needs for different tones that you could aspire or want to achieve, like clean, overdriven, high gain. There are amps for all of these applications. Danny Mendoza from Argentina. Daniel, saludos, amigo. Did you make a review for Nam Studio by VZ Tech already? It's awesome. I haven't checked that out, Daniel. Nam Studio by VZ Tech. I should write that down to look out for it. Dave Ian says that sounds pretty good. William Ashley, quite a nice collection. I agree with you, William. Thanks a lot, guys, for being here. And before we leave, remember that I have some free stuff on my website. And don't forget to check out this channel or my blog, which I'm updating almost on a daily basis with tons of content like this. Take care.